Hello and welcome to this tour of a Creek Beach Sunset 3-bedroom. Now, personally, this is one of my favourite towers in Dubai, probably my favourite in Creek. I'd love to live here myself, reason being it's a corner unit. As we head through the living and dining area, you'll see the real benefits of the property. Beachfront, beach facing, lagoon facing, creek facing, and even views of downtown and towards the end of the day as the sun starts to set and as it comes up over there to the left. I mean, it's literally got everything. Let's head back and have a proper tour of the apartment now. So this is the living and dining area. As you can see, it's very well lit, lots of space, and open plan kitchen. Good quality material here, nice and modern. It looks and feels brand new, as it should. Plenty of light through the day. On the left, we have the maid's bathroom. Left again, we have the maid's room with a bit of wardrobe space, maybe an adjustable space, those two. Bedroom number 1 with a private balcony. Not so private balcony, apologies for that. Again, that view is incredible. Bedroom number 1 with a shared balcony with the living area. Head through to bedroom number 2. No balcony on this one, just again, incredible views. Really can't get enough of that. Built-in wardrobe space. Enough space for a bed and TV. We've got the laundry, its own separate cupboard. Maybe enough space for some storage there as well. Bathroom for those 2 bedrooms that we've just seen. So they share a bathroom. Standing shower. And finally, that corner plot. 3rd master bedroom. Great space, great light. Built-in wardrobe space to the right and left. You can tell hers and 2 little ones for his. Bath, shower, his and hers sink. Awesome, awesome apartment. For more information, do get in touch. Let's get a deal closed. Wow.